Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we are back with wholesome new question which says let A equals to this. So, we have set A which contains three elements, that is 2, 3, and 4. We have set B which contains three elements, which has 8, 9, and 12. Then the number of elements in the relationship this. So, you have this relationship. Okay, so look at this. A1 divides B2. So can I say that this person divides this person and A2 divides B1. So we have two arrows. Okay. So first just be focused on this condition. A1 B2. So I am writing required number. First, you have to use permutation combination over here, principle of multiplication. Okay, what is principle of multiplication? Till the time your task is not completed, you have to keep on multiplying. So the first task is you have to correlate A1 with B2. Okay, so look at this. A1 divides B2, A2 divides B1. Suppose that you are considering A1 as 2. So by which number you guys will connect? You can connect with 8, you can connect with 12 because only these two numbers are divisible. Okay, suppose you are taking 3. So if you are taking 3, 3 can divide 9, 3 can divide 12. So if you consider A1 as 3, you should consider B2 as 9 and 12. Suppose you are considering 4. So you should go with 8, you should go with 12. So you have only this many combinations and they are 6 in number. So for first condition, that is A1 and B2 is 6. You know that till the time your task is not completed, you have to multiply. Here your task is not completed because you have to talk to A2 divides B1 also. Correct? So focus over there. Now again you need to make sure that A2 divides B1. So don't you think you will have same situation? Same 6 cases you will have. So 6. Now your task completed? Yes. Hence the required number is 36. So there will be 36 possible cases, 36 possible elements will be there in the relation. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in the next session of Mathflix.